So today guys, my mom is going to be making some puffed rice in dark chocolate. So first we add some cornstarch. The measurements are on the screen here. And we also add some cocoa powder. Lots of dark cocoa powder. Cocoa powder. Now 1 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of water, and now we mix it all together. Mixing, 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 still mixing, we're still mixing, still mixing. That'll be delicious. Now we stir it on low heat. Mixing on fire. That's dangerous. And now we have nice dark chocolate. Nice dark chocolate, nice dark chocolate, nice dark chocolate, nice dark chocolate. That looks gooey and delicious. Still stirring it and stretching it. We're still stirring and stretching. And now the texture is like melted chocolate. It's already melted and we just added cocoa powder. Now we allow it to cool. Allowing it to cool. That'll take a long time. So how about the rice puffs? We're gonna pour the puffed rice into a bowl. Pouring it into a bowl, pouring it into a bowl. And now we're gonna add some condensed milk. Condensed milk. Condensed milk. Okay, now that we have condensed milk, the rice puffs is gonna be pretty sticky. Now we're gonna mix the rice puffs with the condensed milk. Mixing the sticky rice puffs. Mixing the sticky rice puffs. Okay, time for the chocolate. This is a silicone mold. Oh yes, I do love the patterns. It looks like a rose. Now we pour the chocolate inside the mold. Pouring the chocolate. This will be nice and delicious. Make sure not to make a mess while doing this. You have to be clean when cooking, or else you have a mess to clean up. Make sure to also share this video, guys. Mixing, mixing, and pouring. Now we pour it into the second silicone mold. Pouring. Also, make sure to like this video. Pouring inside the silicone molds. We're still pouring. And we're still pouring. And now we add the rice puffs. We're gonna add the rice puffs with puffed rice. Stuffing the puffed rice in. We're still stuffing the puffed rice in. Not to make a mess. Okay, we're just gonna be hammering down this puffed rice inside the chocolate. This will take a long time to do. Putting it inside the silicone molds. The puffed rice should be surrounded by chocolates. The puffed rice sure is sticky. Sticky, sticky. We are so sticky. This is so sticky though. Sticky, sticky. And now we have some sticky puffed rice. Sticky, 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 sticky. Sticky, 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 sticky. Sticky, sticky, sticky. And now we have to freeze it for 4 hours? How long does it take for this puffed rice to be ready? A few hours later. Okay, now we have some puffed rice. Ugh, finally. So we're gonna be removing the wrapper from the puffed rice. Removing the wrapper. Now we pop them out. Popping them out. Wow, it's frozen solid and it looks like a beautiful chocolate rose. Oh yes, and it was delicious too. It's kind of like a cupcake. And now we have some delicious chocolate roses. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. chocolate, 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 chocolates, chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Bye.